Welcome to Montessori Workshops. Today we'll explore some educational toys and review a highly recommended product for your little ones. Let's start with the Lovevery Block Set. This comprehensive set includes 70 heirloom quality pieces in 18 colors and more than a dozen shapes. The Lovevery Block Set is designed to unlock STEM concepts like math, physics, and engineering. It's perfect for developing spatial awareness and motor skills. This set offers over 20 fun and creative learning activities suitable for children from 18 months to 4+ years. It provides years of play in one box. Parents love the easy storage options. The set comes with a wooden box and a cotton storage bag, making it convenient for play on the go. Crafted from FSC-certified, sustainably harvested wood and water-based finishes, this set is both eco-friendly and safe for your child. Parents have praised the Lovevery Block Set for its quality, versatility, and educational value. It's a great investment for your child's development. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this review helps you choose the best Montessori products for your child's growth and learning. Happy playing!